With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If action is always equal to the reaction, then we have to explain how a horse pulls a cart. Okay, so suppose this is our cart and this is the horse which is tied to the cart. So basically, now what will happen? We have to generate some force in forward direction to give acceleration to the cart, as force is equal to mass times acceleration. So if we want this cart to move, so what we have to do? We have to provide force in forward direction. So, and as we know, action and reaction are equal. So what will happen here? The force which is generated, which is required to move the cart, will be generated by horse legs. The horse legs will press the ground in backward direction. The horse will push the ground in backward direction. And in result of that, horse will move in forward. What are action reaction pair here? Horse push the ground in backward. In result of that, ground push the horse in forward. So as horse will move in forward, so that's why this cart which is tied to the horse will move in forward. Now I will again explain the same thing. Have you ever seen a 100-meter or short runner? How did they start their sprint? Initially, during starting, they were in the sitting position. They starts in the sitting position, and in initial phase, their body is something like this. They do not run in this direction, properly standing condition. They run in slightly inclined towards the ground. Suppose this is his head and these are legs. So he runs slightly inclined to the ground. Why they run in this position? Because they can push the ground more effectively with more force. So that's why they can generate more. If they push the ground with more force, then more ground will push them with more force, and greater the force, greater will be acceleration and greater will be velocity. So these are action and reaction pair here. Horse pushes the ground in backward. This is action by the horse on ground, and ground pushes the horse in forward. This is reaction by the ground on horse. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.